Hello to all students. Today we are going to discuss again class 10th science book chapter 2nd human system, and today's topic is human respiratory organ. Once again, today we are going to discuss again class 10th science book chapter 2nd human system, and today's topic is human respiratory system. First of all, students, it means group of organs. These group of organs related to respiration of human. It means group of organ related to respiration, related to respiration of human. Once again, system, it means group of organ. These group of organs related to respiration of human. First of all, a definition of respiration is oxidation of food material. Once again, oxidation of food material is called respiration. It means presence of oxygen. Next is respiratory system or definition of respiratory system. Many respiratory organs. Once again, many respiratory organs. Students, human have only one main or primary respiratory organs is lungs, but some other organs, they are accessory respiratory organs. It means main and accessory respiratory organs. It means main and accessory respiratory organs proper integrated and forms a specific system. It is called respiratory system. Proper binded or together binded and forms a specific system is called respiratory system. Next is parts of human respiratory system. Students, mostly three type of or three part of human respiratory system. So first is upper respiratory system, upper respiratory system. Next is lower respiratory system, and third is respiratory muscles. Once again, first is upper respiratory system, second is lower respiratory system, and third is respiratory muscles. First is upper respiratory system. In upper respiratory system, first is nose, second is mouth, third is pharynx, fourth is larynx. Next, second is lower respiratory system. Students, in lower respiratory system include trachea, second bronchi, and third lungs. There are three respiratory organs included in lower respiratory system, and third is respiratory muscles. First is internal intercostal muscle, second is external intercostal muscle. So first is upper respiratory system. Once again, first is upper respiratory system. First is nose. First upper respiratory system is nose. First is first respiratory organ. Next is in nose part have two nostril. It is a pore-like structures in nose part. Next, nose respiratory organ to have a large cavity is called nasal cavity. Next is nasal cavity divided in two parts by bone or membrane. Next is in nasal cavity part, once again in nasal cavity located membrane cilia. It is third microscopic structure, third like microscopic structure, cilia. Next, mucus and fine hairs. Next, these structure to purify air or these structure to show cooperation and removing dust particle, pollen grains. It is male related structure in plant and fungi present in air. Students, this is figure of human respiratory system. First is nose. It is upper respiratory system part. Next, mouth. It is upper respiratory system part. Third is pharynx. It is upper respiratory system part. Next is larynx. It is upper respiratory system part. Next is trachea. It is lower respiratory system part. Next is bronchi. It is lower respiratory system part. And next is lungs. It is lower respiratory system part. Once again, first nose. It is first respiratory organs including upper respiratory system part. Next, mouth. It is upper respiratory system part. Pharynx. It is upper respiratory system part. Larynx. It is upper respiratory system part. Next, trachea. It is lower respiratory system part. Bronchi. It is lower respiratory system part. They are lungs. Lungs are including lower respiratory system part. Students, we completed first upper respiratory system part is nose, second is mouth. Once again, second is mouth. It is secondary organ, because nose is first, so mouth is secondary organs in the respiratory system. Next is however, at the time of need, mouth can also be used for breathing, like in whooping cough condition. Second, like in sleeping mode. Third is pharynx. Students, it is upper respiratory system part. Second, number 1 pair. Next is muscular funnel like structures. It is a muscular funnel like structure. Next is parts of pharynx. First is nasopharynx. It means nose part open in pharynx part. Next, oropharynx, oral part, it means mouth part open in pharynx. Next is laryngopharynx, it means pharynx part open in larynx. Next is, once again, pharynx part divided in 3 parts, like naso, oro and oro, it means oral. Next, laryngopharynx. Next is oropharynx. Air passage through the laryngopharynx and with the help of epiglottis. Students, it is a flap-like structures enter into the larynx. Next is epiglottis. Epiglottis is a flap-like structure once again. Epiglottis is a flap-like structure. Next is which, it means epiglottis, which acts as switch between the esophagus, it means it is part of alimentary canal and trachea. It is also known windpipe. Next is function of epiglottis. Students, it is a flap-like structure. It covered to trachea part during swallow. It means when we swallowing the food, the trachea part covered by epiglottis. It is a elastic cartilage structure. It is flap-like. Next, it is elastic cartilage structure. Next function is epiglottis ensures that the air enters only trachea part, it means windpipe, and food enters in food pipe part. It means alimentary canal part. Next is larynx. Students, next upper respiratory system part, larynx, we studied next online class. So thanks, have a nice day.